चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमः विष्णुपादाय राधिकायै प्रियात्मने श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त नारायणेति नामिने। नमः विष्णुपादाय आचार्यसिंहरूपिणे श्रीमद्भक्तिप्रज्ञान केशवाय नामिने। अतिमर्तचरित्राय शशनाञ्च पालिने जीवदुःखे सदार्ताय श्रीनामो प्रेमदायिने। नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिने नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे। नमो विष्णुपादाय आचार्यसिंहरूपिणे श्रीमद्भक्तिप्रज्ञान केशवाय नामिने। अतिमर्तचरित्राय शशनाञ्च पालिने जीवदुःखे सदार्ताय श्रीनामो प्रेमदायिने। नमः विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमद्भक्तिसिद्धान्त सरस्वती नामिने। श्रीवार्षभानुविद्याय कृपावधै कृष्ण संबंध विज्ञान दायिने प्रभवे नमः। माधुर्यजलप्रेमाढ्य श्रीरूपानुगभक्तिद श्रीगौरकरुणाशक्ति विग्रहाय नमस्ते। नमस्ते गौरवाणी श्रीमूर्तये दिनतारिणे श्रीरूपानुगविरुद्धाय नमो गौरकिशोराय साक्षाद् वैराग्यमूर्तये विप्रलम्बरसम्भोगे पादम्बुजते नमः। नमः भक्तिविनोदाय सच्चिदानन्दनामिने गौरशक्तिस्वरूपाय रूपानुगवरायते गौराविर्भावोऽष्टसजनाप्रिय वैष्णव सर्वंश्री जगन्नाथ देव। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुर्भश्च कृपा सिन्धुर्भैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। पढ़ता है गुरुदेव कृपा बिंदु दिया करो ये दासे तृणापेक्षा योतिहीन। गुरुदेव कृपा बिंदु दिया करो ये दासे तृणापेक्षा योतिहीन। हरे सकल सहने बल दिया करो सकल सहने बल दिया करो। गुरुदेव सकल सहने बल दिया करो सकल सहने बल दिया करो। निज मान स्पृहाहीन निज मान सकले समान करिते सकते देहनाथ यथा यथा। গাহিব হরি নাম সুখে তবে তো গাহিব হরি নাম সুখে অপরাধ হবে হত অপরাধ হবে হত সত্যি বুদ্ধি আমি অতি দি পরমরে আত্মসাত সত্যি বুদ্ধি আমি অতি দি পরমরে আত্মসাত আর যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাই পাই যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাই পাই তোমার করুণা সার তোমার করুণা সার আর করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া প্রাণ না রাখিব আর করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া প্রাণ না রাখিব আর জয় গুরুদেব জয় গুরুদেব গুরুদেব জয় গুরুদেব জয় গুরুদেব ওয়ে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর দয়ার সাগর এ দাসে করুণা করি ওয়ে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর দয়ার সাগর এ দাসে করুণা করি আর দিয়া পদ ছায়া সদয়ে আমারে দিয়া পদ ছায়া সদয়ে আমারে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুর দিয়া পদ ছায়া সদয়ে আমারে দিয়া পদ ছায়া সদয়ে আমারে তোমার চরণ ধরি তোমার চরণ ধরি ছয় বেগদমি ছয় দোষ সধি ছয় গুণ দেহ দাসী ছয় বেগদমি ছয় দোষ সধি ছয় গুণ দেহ দাসী আর ছয় সত সঙ্গ দেহে আমারে 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 বসেছি সঙ্গে আসে বসেছি সঙ্গে আসে একাকী আমা নাহি পায় বল হরি নাম সংকীর্তনে একাকী আমার নাহি পায় বল হরি নাম সংকীর্তনে আর তুমি কৃপা করি সদা বিন্দু দিয়া তুমি কৃপা করি সদা বিন্দু দিয়া দেহ কৃষ্ণ নাম ধানে দেহ কৃষ্ণ নাম ধানে হরে কৃষ্ণ সে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো তোমার শক্তি আছে কৃষ্ণ সে তোমার কৃষ্ণ দিতে পারো তোমার শক্তি আছে আর আমি তো কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি আমি তো কাঙ্গাল কৃষ্ণ কৃষ্ণ বলি ধাই তব পাছে পাছে ধাই তব পাছে পাছে ठाकुर की जय। You sing some? Hello?
गौरांग बोलते हैं। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद।
Gora You speak few words. Nice. Your house. Nice. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought from him. Navadvip.
He came to, remember Anandini, did he? Anandini, she was wife of Nimi Maharaj before. Gyanadas, do you remember?
Oh, okay.
Wife, she lives in Brighton now.
Oh, she lives in Brighton.
Yeah,
Many
yeah.
years I did not see her. Huh?
No, I know.
कल आने वाले थे
Did you invite her?
Yes, we did.
Tonight she's coming.
She was going to come yesterday, but last minute she cancelled. So maybe tonight she'll come.
Oh, she lives in now here.
Yeah, but she's very quiet. She keeps herself very just doing her bhajan, but she couldn't look after Mahaprabhu nicely, so she wanted him to come here because we have regular programs here, and so he can be seen by the devotees.
You regular which day? Every Sunday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
We do Srimad Bhagavatam class.
Oh, very nice.
Small group.
I mean,
Small group, maybe 6, 8, like that, just a few. Vishnu Prabhu is regular,
yeah.
and Ananga Prabhu when he's here, he
When
comes.
we're not travelling, we come.
Yeah.
Oh.
So we try anyway, try to have something.
That is good. Okay, speak few words.
Okay. Om Gyana Timirandasya Jnana Shalakaya Chakshuram Militam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namo Vishnu Padaya Radhikaya Pratmane Shishimati Goswami. So before speaking, I have to pranam to Gurupad Padma Niti Lila Pravishta Om Vishnu Pad Astotra Sada Shishimati Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and similarly lotus feet of Sripad Bhaktivedanta Maharaj. So I haven't prepared anything, and I'm just in mode of passion, going around cooking and preparing. But something we were reading from last Bhagavatam class, that was Sutta Goswami. He's being asked questions by the sages in Namasharanya. So they understand that Sutta Goswami, he is qualified to sit in the place of Vyasa, on the Vyasasan, which is the place of Sri Vyasadeva, because Sutta Goswami, he is the perfect representative of Sukadeva Goswami and of Sri Vyasadeva. And because Sutta Goswami, he has heard Bhagavatam from Sukadeva Goswami, then he is qualified to speak Bhagavatam. So the sages, they have these many questions where they ask somebody finding themselves in Kali Yuga, what is the benefit, the best thing that they can do in finding themselves in Kali Yuga? What is the most auspicious and the best activity to perform? So then, just briefly, Sutta Goswami, he says that Savai Pumsam Paro Dharma Yato Bhakti Radoksije Ahoitaki Apratiyata Yayatma Suprasiddhati. So he says Savai Pumsam Paro Dharma. So that Paradharma, the ultimate type of activity, the ultimate dharma for human beings in general, and especially in this age of Kali Yuga, that is Yato Bhakti Adoksija. So he says that to perform bhakti to adoksaj Krishna, that is the ultimate type of activity within Kali Yuga. So adoksaj, Gurudev explained, adoksaj means that personality who is beyond our sense perception. So he's beyond our mind intelligence, our direct senses. So even though Krishna is everywhere, we cannot understand that he is there because he is beyond sense perception, right? That's why we are trying to do bhajan, so that we can have relationship with adoksaj Krishna. So this bhakti yoga, he advises this is the best type of activity, because this bhakti yoga, this directly connects us with that adoksaj Sri Krishna. And then he says, how should that bhakti yoga be? He says, ahoitaki apratihata. So it should be unmotivated. So it means no other type of motivation, no motivation for karma or gyan, or I need a new house, or I need money, or I need this or that. So I'm not even aspiring for liberation, not even gyan. So it should be unmotivated, in other words, pure. And then Gurudev would always tell this shloka, Anya Vilasita Sunyam Dhyana Kamadhyana Vritam Anukulina Krishna Anushilana Bhakti Rutama. Gurudev would very strongly emphasize to this verse, right, the definition of pure bhakti, so that we understood what was actually the goal. Even though we may be very far from that goal, still that is our goal, and we shouldn't think that these immediate and temporary things or these moods that we have right now, that is the goal. Because in some groups they don't understand anything about what is actually pure bhakti. So Gurudev very much emphasized that. And then so Gurudev said that this bhakti should be like honey. From, you know, when you pour honey from a jar and you get one continuous stream, it doesn't come in drops and bits like this. So then Sutta Goswami is also saying this is apritiyata, so it should be uninterrupted, like a stream of honey flowing from the jar. This is how our bhakti should be, and this is another good reason to associate with Vaishnavas who are like this, who have this mood, because we can see that their practice of bhakti is like continuous. There's no like, I'll do some chanting in the morning and then I'll do this and then I'll go to work and then I'll watch TV and then I'll do some more bhakti. It's not like Vaishnavas. Their whole existence and is continuous. Like I saw with my Srila Gurudev, he was continuous practicing, either doing service, writing, or everything that he did was completely aligned with bhakti and his own mood, and he never did anything for himself. I saw that also. He was never worried about his own situation or his own comfort. Or 24 hours a day, Gurudev was doing uninterrupted service to others and his own bhakti and bhajan. So Sutta Goswami says, Ahoituki apratihata, unmotivated, uncontinuous, yayatma, suprasiddhati. That means by this process, then the Atma will be completely satisfied. But Gurudev also explained that this means also not just the Atma, the self, us, that means Paramatma, that means Bhagavan Shri Krishna. So by this practice of bhakti, then the Atma of all Atmas, that is Shri Krishna, he becomes completely satisfied. And also, ultimately, he becomes controlled by that bhakti, as we can see by the example of the gopis of Vrindavan. So the best type of bhakti, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, he says, Aradhyo Bhagavan Brajesha Tanayas Taddama Vrindavanam Ramya Kachit Upasana Brajabadu Vagina Yakalpita. He said this best type of this bhakti, that is the example given by the gopis of Vrindavan. They are completely selfless and continuous devotion for the divine couple, Shri Radha and Krishna. I forgot why I went there, but anyway. So thank you so much, Maharaj, for coming to our house on this most auspicious
Hari Guravi Gaurachandraya Radhikavai Tadali Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Vancha Kalpatarusya Kripa Sindhu Vevacha Patitanam Pavanebho Vaishnavebho Namo Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise Namo He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanusate Devi Pranamami Haripriya Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Priyavai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Sattvatte Namo Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful, sensational respect of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satismal Bhakti Vedanta Shalabam Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Sadman Bhakti Vedanta Shalabam Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, respect of Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Nitya Lila, Pravishtam Bhakti Vedanta Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and Vaishnavas. So just I want to speak few words. He spoke very nicely. In the assembly house of Sutta Goswami Pad, that is called Sutta Sauna Samsambad. Srimad Bhagavatam. First canto, actually the first conversation between Sutta and Sonakadi Rishi. Very nice, beautiful presentation, how manifest Srimad Bhagavat Kathamritam. Ekada once in Naimisaranya, very nice, beautiful place. And that time all the Muni Rishis, they performed their Brahmanical activities. What are the Brahmanical activities? Jajan, Jayan, Adhyan, Adhapan, Dhana, Padigraha. These are the six activities of the Brahmanas. And especially Brahmanas, they perform fire sacrifice, Jagna. These are such. Jajan, Jayan, Adhyan, Adhapan, Dhana, Padigraha. Brahmans, they also perform fire sacrifice. And they also, to help the people, how they read Vedas, and they also taking donation and also give charity to others. Jajan, Jajan, Adhyan, Adhapan. And they also study himself and also pratihan.
Teach others.
And teach to others. So these are the six activities of Brahmanas. And especially Brahmanas, their duties to perform fire sacrifice. Jagna, Swaha, Swaha, Swaha. Vedas mantra. Because Brahman, they have these types of the right to perform fire sacrifice. Brahman karma. So all the Rishi Munis, Sonakadi Rishis, they perform their Brahman activities. Satrajaga, they also perform many years, they perform fire sacrifice. Why? How to attain their Sargaloka. Where mostly Brahmanas, they are called Karmakandi. Karmakandi, understand? They perform the karma, they are thinking how to attain to heaven, Sargaloka. For this regard, they worship many demigod and demigoddesses. That is called their culture. And following all the rules and regulations, Karmakanda. And they believe Vishnu, he also belongs to karma, karmadhin, belong. So in this way, most of the Brahmanas, they are called Karmakandi Brahmana. And mostly they want to get three varga, dharma, artha, kama, these are three varga. Dharma means religion, artha means economical development, kama means different kinds of sense gratification. There's a three varga. So now coming to that Satrajati Brahmana. What Brahman? Satrajati Brahmana. They perform their fire sacrifice and they don't city. In the meantime, by the causeless mercy of Lord Vishnu, then Sutta Goswami Pad then arrived. When Sutta Goswami Pad arrived, that time they also very humble, paid their obeisances, lotus feet of Sutta Goswami Pad. And his name is called Lom Harsan Sutta.
Maharshan's son.
Ugra Sarva. He is the son of Lom Harsan Sutta. And his name Ugra Sarva. Ugra Sarva, Sutta Goswami Pad. Understand? So, and he heard all Ved, Puran, Upanishad, especially Srimad Bhagavatam from Sukadev Goswami Pad. Because when Sukadev Goswami Pad spoke Bhagavad Katha in front of Parikshit Maharaj, that time Sutta Goswami Pad, he was in there. His name is called Ugrasrava Sutta. Generally people also know his name is Sutta Goswami. And Baladev Prabhu, he got also direct mercy from Baladev Prabhu. And Baladev Prabhu, when he traveled in pilgrimage and came in that place, and that time Lom Harsan Sut, he was giving Puran Katha in front of his followers. But he did not give proper respect to Baladev Prabhu. Then Baladev Prabhu became very angry. Then Baladev Prabhu took one kush of grass and cut his head. You are stupid nonsense. You are not giving respect to Sadhu Guru. And that time all the listeners, Srota, they become upset and asked Baladev Prabhu, who will give Harikatha to us? That time Baladev Prabhu, don't worry, his son, small. That his name? What is his name? Ugra Srava. Ugra Srava. Very attentively he listened everything and remembered. For this regard, his name is called Ugra Srava Sutta Goswami. And so Baladev Prabhu took him and put on the Vyasasana. And Baladev Prabhu gave blessing, and that one small boy, he started to speak Harikatha. So he also got direct received mercy from Baladev Prabhu. And so also he listened Harikatha from Sukadev Goswami. This katha is going on this way. So now coming in this way, then Sutta Goswami Pad, when he arrived, that all Rishi Munis, they also paid their obeisances and gave him a highest place, that Singhasana, Vyasasana. So that time they asked questions. How many questions they asked? How many questions?
11?
6 questions. He's saying 11.
I'm guessing. Speculating.
Speculating. 6
Might be
questions.
right.
You forget everything. Writing or forget?
Not reading.
They asked how many questions?
6.
6 questions. 6 question is there. How all the living entities, they will get the best benefit. जीवों के मंगल की उपाय क्या है? मंगल means auspiciousness. What is the best auspiciousness for the living entities? Because many people, they are performing many kinds of things, karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. But what is the best process? How they will get the auspiciousness? That time Sutta Goswami Pad, he told this sloka, Savai pumsang paro dharmo jato bhakti adhos kaji ahituki apritiyata jayatma samprasita. Okay? Best questions or best answer coming. Okay? If you ask proper questions, then Gurudev told you will get the proper answer. Okay? If your question is not perfect, how possible speaker will give proper answer? Question should be perfect. Understand? जीवों की मंगल की उपाय क्या है? What is the best process? The living entities get the perfect benefit. Then सभी पुंसांग परो धर्म जतो भक्ति अदोष कजे अहेतुकी अप्रतिहता जयात्मा संप्रसिद्ध. सभी पुंसांग means human being. सभी पुंसांग परो धर्म. Here पुंसांग means jiva, that is a conditional soul. Here use this word pungsang. This word just emphasis this word pungsang pursa. Means gypsum, all the living entities. Because conditional soul means they have spontaneous, they are dehatpabhiman, sense gratification, enjoyment. This for this regard they are called dehatpabhiman. For this regard purusabhiman. Purusha Abhiman means is what? Enjoying sense gratification. There is a Purusha Abhiman.
Like a tendency. Natural tendency.
Conditional soul tendency to enjoy sense gratification. If you are male or female, this is not there. But everybody's conditional soul means is what? The spontaneous nature to enjoy the sense gratification. Though here he is using the Pungsang, Purusaka, gypsum. Here Purush Jeev means that is called the conditional soul, Baddha Jivas. And Baddha Jivas, bondage Jivas, their spontaneous nature to enjoy the material sense gratifications. I am enjoyer. This conception coming. Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. We forget. And now we are coming, what is that? We are the enjoyer. Do you understand first? Automatically. When you contemplate with Maya, that time automatically your conception will come, I am the enjoyer. Chitkon Jeev, Chinmay Bhaskar, Nitya Krishna Koreno Adar. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, when Jiva is completely pure, pavitra, no contaminated with Maya, and that time is spontaneous nature, serve to Krishna. Krishna seva vritti. So Chitkon Jeev Krishna Chinmay Bhasva Nitya Krishna dekhi Koreno Adar. Because spontaneous nature of the hand. Chitkana Jeevi Krishna, Chinmaya Bhaskar, Nitya Krishna dekhi Krishna, Koreno Adar, Krishna Bhirmu Bhuya, Bhagavan Chakari, Nikadastamaya Tari, Japotiya Dhari. Pisachi Vaile Janamadi Channa Hai, Maya Gasta Jive, Sevai Uday, Ami Siddha Krishna Das, Ekata Bhule, Mayar Nafar Huya, Chiradin Bhule. Kabu Raja, Kabu Praja, Kabu Iprasudra, कबू दुखी कबू सुखी कबू कीट क्षुद्र कबू स्वर्गे कबू मर्ते नरके बा कबू देव कबू दैत्य कबू दास प्रभु এই রূপে সংসার ভূমিতে কোনো জন সাধু সঙ্গে নিজ তত্ত্ব অবগত হন. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely explained this. Chitkon Jeev Krishna Chinmay Bhaskar. Jiva is very mind and eternal and transcendental. For this regard, Jiva is called Chitkon. Or Krishna Chinmay Bhaskar. Krishna is as like blazing sun. Or Jiva is as like the rays of the sun. You understand?
Chitkar.
Chitkar. Simple way you can understand. Lord is actually Brihat Chaitanya, great conscious being. Our Jivas is called Manu Chaitanya, mind conscious being. So Jiva's spontaneous nature, Nitya Krishna Dekhi Karana Adar. His nature to serve to Krishna. Krishna Bahirmukh hoya Bhagavancha kare nikadastha maya tare japti adhar. When Jiva was manifested from Tasya Shakti, marginal potential of Lord, and that time he can see two sides. One side Chit Jagat, transcendental world, and another side material world. Though Jiva was attracted with transcendental world, they attain to transcendental world. Vaikuntha Jagat, they have. Even they have no idea what is the material world. You will see. Jo Jivas are staying in Vaikuntha Jagat, they have no idea what is the Maya Jagat, what is the material world. And they have to, also they have no time to discuss these things. They always absorb to serve that Ishtadev, Vaikuntha Dhapati Bhagavan Narayan. And always to service in there. Those Jivas attracted with Maya's very glittery, and they also coming back in this, they are in this material world. So for this regard is Nitya Baddha or Nitya Mukta. Nitya Mukta Jivas, they are staying in Vaikuntha Dham. Or those Jivas are coming here also and staying here and in the servant of Mayadas, Nitya Baddha.
It's very difficult to understand why they look at Maya, because they have no previous anything that makes them go either way. What makes them go to Maya? The Jiva. Why does he choose Maya?
Why they choose Maya?
Yeah.
If I tell you, very difficult to understand. Chanting holy name, then understand. Why? Because many reasons also there. Because Jiva, Lord has given to us one kind of potential that is called Satantra Sakti. You know, understand Satantra Sakti?
No.
Satantra Sakti, that is called independency
Independence.
potential.
Oh yes.
Satantra Sakti. Satantra Sakti means you can choose yourself. You can choose what will do or not. Tasma Satra Pramanam Te Karja Akarja Vyavastito. Bhagavad Gita Krishna also says, what will do, what will not will do. Everything has prescribed in our scriptures. This is good, this is bad. You choose. Because Lord, He gives us independency, potency, Satantra Shakti, and simultaneously, Lord, He gives us what is called Vichar Shakti. Discriminate potency also. Vichar Shakti. Vichar Shakti, understand? This is good and this is bad.
Discrimination.
Potency. You have. Look this thing. Lord, you cannot blame to Lord.
No.
Because Lord sometimes gives Satantra Shakti, independency, potency. If Lord would not give us independency, potency, then we will become inert. Inert, understand?
Yeah. Like stone.
Like stone. For the Lord, He gives us independence. And simultaneously, Lord, He also gives us discriminate power, Shakti, Vichar. Vichar means conception. You choose yourself. You can go this side, you can go this side. If you go this side, you will be suffer. You will come this side, you will be happy.
I understand for the first time. Actually, so that first moment that he looks at Maya, he knows it's wrong. He knows it's wrong. He shouldn't go there, but still he goes.
Still go.
So he's to blame.
Understand? So this is now coming in this. So for the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Chitkan Jeev Krishna Chinmay Bhaskar Nitya Krishna Dekhi Karena Adar. This is the nature of the jivas, serve to Krishna. But so now coming one kind of jivas, that is called Nitya Baddha and it's called Nitya Mukta. Nitya Mukta jivas, they are staying in Vaikuntha Dham. And Nitya Baddha jiva, they are coming in here because they attracted with Maya. Maya is very glittery, attractive. For this regard, they coming here. And they are thinking we enjoy with Maya. We want to enjoy with Maya. Then Maya Devi, she is very tricky. Actually, you cannot enjoy with her. She makes the illusion. Act like Bhut Pisachini, witch. For Maya Pisachini, here they give him example of Maya Devi, she is as like Pisachini. You cannot enjoy with the witch. Witch, understand?
Black magic witch.
Black magic witch. She called you, come. You are going, running behind you. Then she disappear. Then again she coming. In this way, she also playing with you. And also so much giving trouble to you. Her nature is this. And your mind completely elucidated. That time you thinking you are right. Sometimes you are watching what is called many kinds of the film. Just to give an example, the film, that they are very nicely, they also taking the picture. And running. One very nice, beautiful young girl, she is running to top of the mountain. You also are
Chasing behind it.
as like dream, you know. Very quick, you also jumped in the top of the mountain. You are thinking she is very close to you. You just to catch. Then she disappear. Then she coming down, and also there is water, and she is walking in the water, and you think you are jumping, and you are jumping. Actually, she is what? Which? I don't know. You have seen that these types of film. You can understand. This same thing is over there. And how this filming they according to their light. They are making. They. You completely illustrate. They are running. And very nice, beautiful song is going on this way. And you think, oh, she loves me. About to catch her. Then again she also. If you are going again up, down. Which this is what? Pisachini. For this regards, why Pisachini usually? Pisachini Maya. Why use this? Once I asked my Gurudev, why Maya she is called Pisachini? Then my Gurudev gave this example. The Pisachini Bhuta, ghost. Actual ghosts have no what is it called?
Physical body.
Understand?
Yeah.
Ghost can manifest many forms. Cats, dogs, animals, male, female. Very nice, beautiful. Young girl. And sometimes very ugly, more than Putana. You cannot believe this. Ghost, this is what they can do this way. For this regard, Maya Pisachini. Ghost has no actually any gross body. They have the bio body, that is called their body by the air. Subtle body is there. They can manifest the bio body, you know. And they can very quick, they manifest in many forms. And they are very tricky, elusive to you. Sometimes very nice, beautiful young girl. And coming from you. And speaking very nice, sweet words. Very nice, beautiful, romantic, sidelong glance. You're talking, oh, very nice. But when you go to catch to her, then she disappears. You cannot catch the ghost. Because their body is what you are. Air body, as like smoke. Understand? This way. Very quickly. just their nature is this to elicit the people and disturb the people, not other things. Eh? So Maya Pisachini. So for this Maya Pisachini. Eh? Her duty is this there. She's doing and elicit the people. So those jivas attracted with the Maya Pisachini. Eh? And they come and think I will enjoy with her. But you cannot enjoy. Nothing. Eh? And she will make this disturbance to you. Eh? Eh? So Baddha jivas this way. Eh? So the Mayabaddha jive, Matichana hoile jiver, Pisachini paile jano Matichana hoy, Mayabaddha jiver seva uday. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Pisachini paile jano Matichana. One who completely contaminated with the Maya, then his intelligent buddhi completely what? Yes. What is he doing? Nothing very difficult. Eh? So Pisachi paile jano Matichana hoy, Mayabaddha jiva seva uday. Mayabaddha jiva doing things. I'm okay, I'm doing what is this. Eh?
What is this? What?
If you tell that you think what you want, this is your wrong. But they don't want to believe I am wrong. You think yes, I am doing good. Eh? If you tell 1,000 times, don't do this. But they don't want to listen to that. Actually, Mayabaddha jive hoy, seva bhuta. Pisachi paile jano Matichana hoy, Mayabaddha jive, seva budai. Maya is doing this. Her duty creates the illusion, not her duty, and give trouble to you. Why? Why Maya is doing this?
To test you.
Maya is doing because she's her duty, because we did not perform bhajan sadhana to Krishna, so her duty to give punishment to us. Her duty to give him punishment.
She's very cruel.
No, she is very merciful. Maya, she is very kripadi. And purified our heart again, beating. In this way, when you get the association of sadhu, kono bhagye jodi sadhu vaidya paye, tar mantri pisachini palay. In this way, when our sukriti will be matured and accumulated, then you will get association of sadhu. Sadhu is as like doctor, Vaidya understand? Then we will surrender to lotus feet of sadhu. Then sadhu will give you mantra. When you chant this mantra, then that Pisachini Maya, she will be run. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Because this is Mahamantra. If you not chant Mahamantra, Maya Devi she will not go out from you. This is the process. Mahamantra, this is the process. Then Pisachi will run away. Maya is very powerful. This. But you chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Pisachini paile janamati channa hoy, Mayagrasta jivere sevhay uddhay, konu bhagya pare jodi sadhuvaddya paye, tar mantri pisachini palay. Mantra is powerful. Then Pisachini will run. Otherwise not. Guru gives you mantra, but you have to chant mantra. Gopal mantra, Kamgayatri, you have to chant. If you not chant, so how possible you will be free from the disease? How to Maya Devi will go? Every day you chant Gayatri mantra, Gopal mantra, Gayatri mantra which you receive, every day you have to take the medicine. If you not take medicine, how will you free from the disease? You will be never cured. Eh? Guru gave you already. But if you not chant, if you not take medicine, so what happens? Eh? This is the process. So now coming in this way, so Rishi Munis, they also ask this question. What is our best kalyan? Shreya. Shreya means mangal. Eh? Auspiciousness. Then Sutta Goswami Pad, he first questions and first answer is there. Sabai pungsang paro dharma jato bhakti adoskaya. That means here that he has, why I am saying? Because sabai pungsam. Here pungsang means that is conditioned soul. Eh? Conditioned soul means that is Purusvachak. Purusvachak means that enjoying sense gratification. Understand? So here usually this word sabai pungsam paro dharma jato bhakti adoskaya. Paro dharma means best dharma, sabhav, religion, to serve to Lord Vishnu. So now two kinds of dharma is called. One is called dharma, another is called paro dharma. And so what is the general dharma, sabhav? Many kinds of dharma. Loka dharma, samaj dharma, following the rules and regulations of society, brahman dharma, stri dharma, purush dharma, many kinds of dharma. Brahman dharma. But all these dharma is called, that is called there. That is called the
temporary.
Nikrishta. Nikrishta means
Lower.
And Shrestha here, Paro means Shrestha. Do you understand? Shrestha means great,
Best.
Yeah.
best.
Yeah.
So when is the Paro dharma, best dharma, so that means automatically another word is there. Lowest dharma. So what is the lowest dharma? Except Krishna Bhakti and practicing Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Seva, other kinds of dharma, that is called
Lower.
lower dharma. So for this paro dharma.
Topmost.
Paro means Shrestha dharma. Sanskrit word Shrestha, then Nikrishta. Understand? Because when you are explaining about the positive, then automatically negative comes. Or when you explain the negative, then positive comes. So here he is saying what is the paro dharma? Paro means
Positive.
topmost dharma. So what is the lowest dharma? Except Krishna Seva. Other is called lowest, Nikrishta dharma. What is the so you understand? In this material world, when you are in this material conditioned soul, there are many kinds of the dharma is coming. Many kinds of dharma. Purush dharma, stri dharma, brahman dharma, loka dharma, samaj dharma. You understand? Many kinds of rules and regulations is coming. But all these dharma is called the Nikrishta dharma, lowest dharma. Or paro dharma, Krishna Seva, Vishnu Seva. For this Savi Pungsang paro dharma, jato bhakti adhuskaya. What is the paro dharma? Best dharma? Adhuska Seva. Adhakritam, Indriyajam, Dhikkritam, Aprakitam Vishnu Sevam iti adhuskaja. Adhakritam, meaning give up the all kinds of samsara dharma, Brahman dharma, Loka dharma, everything. Only what dharma? Parabrahma Krishna Seva. That is called paro dharma. So for this, use this word, the paro dharma should be applied in Adhakhas Vishnu. Understand? Adhakhar Vishnu. Adhakhas Vishnu. Vishnu Seva. Except Vishnu Seva, all kinds of service, that is called Nikrishta Seva.
Lowest.
Lowest. So paradhana, sabai pungsang parva, jato bhakti, but that bhakti, here bhakti means seva. Bhajate, sibbate iti, seva. Bhakti. Bhakti means not other, bhakti means seva vritti. Yeah? Understand? Except Krishna seva, other service, that is called lowest. Matri seva, pitri seva, to serve your mother, to serve your father, serve your children. Eh? This is seva. Usually is what seva. But all this service is what? This service is lower. Or best service, Bhagavad Vishnu. Eh? So, but this service should be how to then again use the two qualifications is there. Adjectives. Visheshan. Eh? What are the two adjectives? Ahituki or apratihata. Do you have to serve to Lord Vishnu? And two qualifications go. What is it called? Ahituki. Ahituki means, you understand Ahituki? Ahituki means
unmotivated.
Huh?
Unmotivated.
Unmotivated. Ahituki means without reason, without cause. Causeless. You serve to Thakurji and causeless. That means you have no any
motivation.
desires except Krishna pleasure. But simple way, understand. And you serve to Krishna, but serve to Vishnu, no any others desires except Krishna pleasure. That is called Ahituki. Because many people worship Lord Vishnu, ask Lord Vishnu, I am service to you, you give me and material things, give me wife, give me children, give me money. This is his word. Hetu. Reason. Understand? For this type of service is called Hetu Seva. It means with cause. But here saying Ahituki. Do you understand? Ahituki means no any reason. I serve to you. Why? Only for your exclusively pleasure, not other things. I do here, Lord, I don't want things, I don't want anything from you. Nadanang najanang sundaring kavitang va jagadisa kamaye mama janma janmasil bhavata bhakti ahituki. Mahaprabhu said this. Sixth chapter. I do here, Prabhu, I don't want anything from you. Dhan, wealth, money, wife, children. Any kinds of material thing I don't want. What do you want?
Service to you.
Janma janma, birth after birth, life after life. Just I serve your lotus feet. Not other thing. And only for your pleasure. What pleasure? Exclusive pleasure. Not other things. So then nadhanam najanam sundaring kavidang vajagadisa kamaye mama janma janmanesri bhavata bhakti ahituki. Dana jana yar kavita sundari bolibo na chahi deha sukhala korin janme janme dao prabhu. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Ahituki bhakti charane tamar. Ahituki bhakti. Causeless service. Bhakti means always, remember Bhakti means?
Causeless service.
Bhakti means service. Ahituki means causeless service. You understand? So here Sabai Pungsa, the first qualification is Ahituki. And this again also another adjective is coming. What is it?
Pratihata.
Apratihata. Apratihata means one is called pratihata, one is called apratihata. Pratihata means where the obstacles. Understand? Or apratihata means
No obstacle.
no obstacle. Uninterrupted. Incessantly
No obstacle.
going flow as like the water of the Ganges. Coming from the Himalayas, one place that is Gangotri. And only 24 hours the water is coming from the 24 hours. If you go Himalaya, where the Ganga Devi, she, what is called?
Source.
Manifested.
Yeah.
That is Gomukha Gangotri, that place.
Starting.
And top of the mountain in there, Ganga Devi is coming. And 24 hours, the water is running. Kal, 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 kal. Never stop. So this that is called apratihata, uninterrupted. And going. So bhakti is seva vritti, I serve to Lord and incessantly, uninterrupted, and going on this way. Just he told, one day chanting holy names, next day not chanting, one day service, not this is not. Service, those should be constantly. They say, so sabai pungsang paru dharma jato bhakti ados kaje ahituki apratihata jatma samprasidati. Here the atma means here, because we are already soul. Which soul? Remember? Bhadrajiva. Sabai pungsang. Here soul, here the atma, here atma means Krishna. Krishna prasanna. Krishna will be very pleased. Some also, again, also Sanskrit word, you can use this word, atma prasadi, your also satisfaction will come. Because if you serve, that you will get the happiness. Seva sukh. Understand? If you serve to Lord, also you will get one kind of happiness. What is that? Seva sukh. Seva sukha pe mone. Understand? Purva itihas bhulinu sakal seva sukha pe mone. Tumi to amar, ami to tomar ki kaj apara dhane. Atmani vedan dvapade kori hoinu param sukhi. Are dukha dure gelo chinta na rohilo chodike ananda dekhi. Anand, happiness will come. Because ananda automatically will come. For this regard, that is called seva ananda. Ananda. If you serve to Lord, then this happiness will come automatically. You don't want happiness, but if you serve, automatically the nature will come. As like fire, automatically giving the heat. Understand it? When you cook, and that time fire in your kitchen, then automatically that kitchen will be warm. You are cooking or the oven, put the fire, that's not for the
for your warmth.
Warm for the kitchen. But when you cook, automatically you are
Get warm.
warm will come. In the same way, if you serve to Guru and Krishna, then Krishna will be pleased, Guru will be pleased, and simultaneously you also be pleased. Happiness will come. That is called Sevananda. One person, you feed to someone, he will be happy. And when you feed to someone, also you will get the happiness. This is the nature. Because if you serve to Lord Vishnu, then happiness will save Ananda. So, Atma Prasannata. But here the actual, in this sloka, direct meaning is that, and Sabi Pungsang Paradam Jato Ahituki Apratya, Ja Atma Samprati. Here Atma means Vishnu, Krishna. And Bhagavan Vishnu, which is called others called Vishnu. Bhagavan will be pleased with you. And simultaneously, you will be also happy. Sevananda will come, Ananda, both Ananda. Your Ishtadev will be pleased, get happiness, also you will get happiness. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. 6 questions and 6 answers. Actually, all whole Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam. Eh? These 6 questions, just I asked, you meant to told you only one question and one answer. Rest also how many?
5 left.
5.
Jai. Go Premanand Srila Bhaktivinoda Maharaj ki Jai.
है जीवों की मंगल की उपाय क्या है ये प्रश्न पूछा
पहला प्रश्न
है
पहला प्रश्न
पहले प्रश्न
फर्स्ट
फर्स्ट
क्वेश्चन
क्वेश्चन है आरती
आरती होगा तैयार करना पड़ेगा
फिर प्रसाद पास फिर दिशा में फिर 6:30 बजे जाना पड़ना 6:30 बजे सेम लास्ट ईयर वो लास्ट ईयर जो होता है वही है
हाँ जी
वो तो ज़्यादा दूर नहीं है हाँ आरती
Like let's do Aarti.
पूर्ण आरती यशोमतीनन्दन व्रजवरनागर गोकुलरञ्जन यशोमतीनन्दन व्रजवरनागर Om उल्टान कैसे उठते हैं बाद ही